Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power on the Fujifilm Xa2 and open menu right arrow connection setting right arrow Wi-Fi function. Enable Wi-Fi, you must create the camera as an access point. Once the camera displays SSID and password, keep that screen visible. On your iPhone, open the camera remote app you installed, but first go to settings right arrow Wi-Fi and select the camera SSID. Make sure the iPhone connects to the camera network. This direct link is the only way to pair reliably. Once the iPhone joins the camera SSID, switch back to the Fujifilm camera remote app. It will detect the Xa2 automatically. Tap Connect or Pair. The app completes a handshake with the camera and establishes a session for remote shooting or image transfer. Make sure you allow all requested permissions: photos, camera, and local network access. Without them, the app can't save images or control the camera. If remote shooting is desired, set drive mode and focus in the app, then press the on-screen shutter. To finish, choose image transfer for bulk copying or remote for live control. Select images and tap Save to store them on your iPhone camera roll. Once done, disconnect from the camera SSID so your phone rejoins usual networks. If anything goes wrong, reboot both devices, recheck the SSID/password on the Xa2 screen, and reauthorize the camera remote app in iPhone settings. That single troubleshooting step, power cycle and reauthorize, resolves most pairing errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.